Hello and welcome. Are you ready to transform your plate and your life? Today we're diving into a countdown of 7 incredible foods that seniors simply cannot afford to miss for a healthier life. Imagine waking up every day feeling vibrant, energetic, and full of life, because the secret to feeling young and thriving may be right on your plate. As we explore these nutritional powerhouses, you'll discover how each one not only delights your taste buds, but also boosts immunity, supports heart health, and improves overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, taking care of your health becomes more important than ever, especially as you age. Our bodies need a balanced diet, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to combat the natural aging process and fend off chronic conditions. With each food item we discuss, we'll reveal how simple ingredients can make a profound difference. Plus, if you enjoy practical health tips that empower you to make positive lifestyle choices, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Your engagement helps us spread these life-changing tips even further. So, without further ado, let's count down the top 7 must-have foods for a healthier, happier life, starting from number 7 and building up to the most essential food on your plate. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries aren't just a tasty treat. They're a nutritional marvel that packs a punch for your health. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved cognitive functions, including enhanced memory and concentration, which is especially valuable for seniors aiming to keep their minds sharp. Moreover, these fruits support heart health by promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into a smoothie, or sprinkled over your favorite cereal, blueberries add a burst of natural sweetness and color to your meals while boosting your overall wellness. Their versatility in the kitchen makes them a delightful addition to both sweet and savory dishes, offering not only a flavor boost, but also a range of vital nutrients to help you feel your best every day. 6. Salmon. Salmon stands out as one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart and brain health. These beneficial fats help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and even support brain function by aiding in memory and cognitive performance. Beyond its omega-3 content, salmon is a rich source of high-quality protein, vitamin D, and selenium, all of which contribute to robust bone health and a well-functioning immune system. Including salmon in your diet can help mitigate the natural inflammation that comes with aging, ensuring your joints stay flexible and pain-free. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or even added to a hearty salad, salmon provides a delicious and nutrient-dense option that can help keep your body energized and resilient. Enjoying a meal with salmon is not just about savoring a flavorful dish, it's about investing in your long-term health and vitality. 5. Nuts. Nuts are a powerhouse of nutrition that can easily fit into your daily routine. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, or cashews, these little wonders provide a concentrated source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them an excellent snack option to avoid unhealthy cravings. In addition, the omega-3 fatty acids found in certain nuts, such as walnuts, support heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Nuts are also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. Enjoy them on their own, toss them into your salads, or use them as a crunchy topping for oatmeal or yogurt. The versatility of nuts means there's a delicious way to incorporate them into every meal. Their natural, unprocessed form makes them an ideal choice for a wholesome, nutrient-packed diet, especially for seniors looking to boost their overall health and vitality. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is a nutritional treasure that offers an impressive combination of taste and health benefits. This creamy delight is packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut, which is vital for digestion and immune function. The calcium and protein content in yogurt play a crucial role in building and maintaining strong bones and muscles, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Moreover, The fermentation process used to create yogurt not only enhances its flavor, but also increases the bioavailability of its nutrients, making them easier for your body to absorb. Whether you choose plain, low-fat, or Greek yogurt, you're investing in a food that supports digestive health, improves nutrient absorption, and even contributes to heart health. Try incorporating yogurt into your breakfast with fruits and nuts, or enjoy it as a refreshing snack throughout the day. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed in countless ways, while giving your body the nourishment it needs. 3. Spinach. Spinach is more than just a leafy green, it's a nutritional dynamo that supports a myriad of health benefits. Bursting with essential vitamins such as A, C, and K, spinach plays a key role in bolstering your immune system, maintaining healthy skin, and supporting proper blood clotting. The high iron content found in spinach is vital for ensuring that your blood carries enough oxygen to your muscles and organs, which is especially important for seniors looking to keep their energy levels up. Additionally, spinach is loaded with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Its fiber content aids digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, making it a smart choice for overall well-being. Whether you prefer it raw in salads, steamed as a side dish, or blended into a nutrient-rich smoothie, incorporating spinach into your daily diet can lead to improved heart health, better eye function, and enhanced vitality. Enjoy this versatile vegetable in multiple forms to reap its extensive health benefits every day. 2. Quinoa. Quinoa is truly a nutritional superstar that deserves a top spot on your plate. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs for repair, recovery, and overall vitality. This makes it a fantastic dietary choice, especially for seniors who need to maintain muscle mass and support a robust immune system. Rich in dietary fiber, quinoa also promotes healthy digestion by keeping your gut functioning smoothly and preventing issues such as constipation. Additionally, it has a low glycemic index, which helps in managing blood sugar levels, making it an ideal option for those looking to control or prevent diabetes. Beyond its impressive nutrient profile, quinoa is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be served as a hearty side dish, tossed into salads for an added crunch, or even used as a base for a nourishing bowl meal filled with vegetables and lean proteins. Its subtle, nutty flavor pairs well with a variety of seasonings and ingredients, allowing you to experiment with different recipes while reaping the health benefits. By incorporating quinoa into your diet, you're not only enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal, but you're also investing in long-term health benefits that support energy, vitality, and overall well-being. 1. Leafy greens, kale, Swiss chard, and more. At the pinnacle of our list are leafy greens, a group of vegetables that are nothing short of a health miracle. These greens, including kale, Swiss chard, and others, are densely packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients are critical for maintaining bone strength, supporting the immune system, and aiding in cell regeneration, which is especially important as you age. Leafy greens also contain a wealth of antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, helping to slow the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your meals can also support detoxification processes in the body. They help flush out toxins, promoting better liver function and overall cleansing of the system. Whether you enjoy them raw in salads, lightly steamed to retain their crunch and nutrient content, or blended into a smoothie for a quick nutritional boost, leafy greens are incredibly adaptable to your cooking style. Their versatility means you can integrate them into almost any meal, be it breakfast, lunch, or dinner, without sacrificing flavor. By making leafy greens a staple in your diet, you're not only adding a burst of freshness and color to your plate, but also fueling your body with a nutrient-rich, low-calorie food that can help maintain your health and extend your vitality for years to come. And there you have it, a complete guide to the 7 must-have foods that can transform your daily nutrition and enhance your overall well-being. Remember, each of these foods plays a unique role in supporting heart health, cognitive function, and a strong immune system, making them essential components of a balanced diet as you age. Thank you so much for joining me on this nutritional journey. If you found these tips helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical advice on living a vibrant, healthy life. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family members who might also benefit from a little dietary boost. Here's to making smarter food choices and embracing a healthier lifestyle every day. Stay well, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.